Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to put two videos side by side in CapCut. So start by adding your main video. This is going to act as my vein, so click add to track or drag it down. And now I want you to add the second video as a layer. You do that by taking here and dragging it on top here. This video has a black fade in, so I'm just going to trim it here and then move it back to the start and adjust the length so they're both the same length. It's not really something you have to do, it's just for the sake of this video. So the next step is to select your layer, so the one on top here. Select it, and now you go up to the right hand side, click video, and now you go to mask here and click horizontal. And now you have the option here to rotate it. So we split up the video, or you can do it the other way. I want it to be like this. And you can do the same for the other video. However, it's already made a split, so it's not really necessary, because if I click here, select this video, and I drag it, you can adjust the other image. And it's basically double the work to go through the entire process again. But just for the sake of the video, I'll show you. So you can click on the video, make sure to select it on the timeline. Then again, video, mask, horizontal. And now you can make it this, and now you can click on the line and adjust the video. And now they're both split up if that's better for you. And you can click on them and still adjust the videos. So you can, make it smaller, larger, and move it around as you want. And yeah, that's basically how you can split the video or put two videos side by side in CapCut.